Hello, and welcome to another insightful analysis on the global commodity markets. Today, we're diving into the December 2024 USDA-WASDE report, which brings promising news for the soybean sector. Join us as we explore the projected increase in production, export dynamics, and pricing trends for the 2024-25 soybean season. The latest report projects a significant uplift in global soybean production, setting the total at 427.1 million metric tons, an increase of 1.7 million metric tons. This boost stems from expanded planting in Argentina and Bolivia, coupled with favorable yield improvements in Canada. Notably, U.S. production remains steady with an estimate of 4.46 billion bushels. Global soybean supply is expected to reach 814.83 million metric tons, with U.S. figures contributing a robust 4.82 billion bushels. This stable supply facilitates an increase in global exports, expected to hit 181.97 million metric tons for the season. Countries like Argentina, Brazil, and Canada are likely to see stable or increased export volumes, thanks to the bolstered supply. Argentina's soybean crush capacity increase to 41 million metric tons signals a rise in soybean meal exports, with key markets in the European Union, Algeria, and Iran driving demand. On the oil front, global soybean oil exports are anticipated to climb to 12.6 million metric tons. The U.S. has notably increased its soybean oil production forecasts to 28.6 billion pounds, reflecting an enhanced demand for biofuels and industrial uses. The season average soybean price in the U.S. has been adjusted downward to $10.20 per bushel, mirroring competitive market conditions. Despite these price adjustments, the global demand for soybean meal and oil continues to rise, although consumption growth in major markets like China and Europe remains tepid. The December USDA-WASDE report presents a balanced yet optimistic scenario for the upcoming soybean season. With production gains, higher export projections, and stable domestic use, the soybean market is poised for a dynamic year. However, ongoing global trade developments and policy changes will be crucial in shaping the future landscape. Thank you for tuning into today's analysis. For more updates and expert insights on the commodity markets, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep an eye on the markets and stay informed.